Europe travel can be so expensive. I mean, visiting Paris, London, or even Barcelona costs you a fortune nowadays, leaving you with pretty little to talk about. For your next trip to Europe, we found other options to fit your travel budget. There are certain places that are as beautiful as Europe's most popular destinations, but are as cheap as some country in Asia. Today, we've compiled a list of the most affordable travel destinations in Europe, based on how much you'd spend in a day and whether or not they're worth the visit. Beautiful beaches, lakes, mountains, and national parks may be found in Montenegro. For those who enjoy the outdoors and the natural world, this is the perfect place. Montenegro has an array of scenery in an intimate area, ranging from the coastal region to the mountainous north. Don't miss Kotor, a fortified town with meandering streets and squares located on Montenegro's Adriatic coast. A cheap lunch of a sandwich and soup will run you about $4 or less. In a restaurant, a 3-course meal and beverages can be had for as little as $10 each. By the way, the food here is divine. One can visit Durmitor National Park in Montenegro, renowned for its natural beauty. Here, visitors can admire the stunning vistas of the Tara River Canyon, which ranks as the world's second deepest canyon. Hungary's welcoming population makes it an excellent destination for travel. You'll discover that the locals are more than happy to help you with everything you need, especially since many speak English. In smaller cities, a lodging can cost approximately $15 per night, while a dinner could run anywhere from $8 to $15. Don't forget to sample the classic goulash, which is a stew of meat and vegetables spiced with paprika and other herbs. The capital, Budapest, is home to a renowned variety of thermal baths, many of which date back to the 16th century. As visitors take in the stunning architecture of these historic bathhouses, they can submerge themselves in the rejuvenating thermal waters. One noteworthy choice is the Széchenyi thermal bath, which offers a particular experience surrounded by incredible views. Though hardly many people are aware of it, Romania is a place you might want to visit on your next vacation. For younger visitors, Bucharest offers an amazing nightlife and rich architectural heritage. In addition to the capital, Romania has a wealth of other stunning locations to discover. You can visit Dracula's castle in Transylvania. Romania is home to the world's heaviest building, the Palace of the Parliament in Bucharest. This colossal structure is a symbol of the country's communist era. It covers over 3.7 million square feet and contains over 1,100 rooms, making it larger than the Pentagon. The fact that decent lodging can be had in certain locations for as little as 10 to 15 euros per night is one of the reasons Romania is so inexpensive. There are also plenty of eateries where you can have a meal for under 5 euros, which includes a beer. What a bargain! Granada, located in southern Spain, is a favored destination for many travelers due to its rich history and stunning scenery. The city is renowned for landmarks such as the Alhambra Fortress, an architectural masterpiece that showcases Moorish and Spanish influences. Southern Spain, including Granada, offers a plethora of activities for visitors to enjoy, from exploring historic sites to savoring the vibrant local culture. The region is known for its affordability, with budget-friendly accommodation options available for as little as $17 per night. Known as the heart of Andalusia, Seville fascinates tourists with its fusion of art, history, and lively atmosphere. It is home to famous sites like the magnificent Alcazar Palace, the Seville Cathedral, and the energetic Plaza de España. This makes southern Spain an attractive destination for those seeking a European vacation experience without breaking the bank. Bulgaria is frequently described as a nation with breathtaking scenery, hospitable people, and a vibrant cultural heritage. The nation experiences scorching summers and moderate winters due to its Mediterranean environment. Additionally, it's a great location for outdoor activities like riding and hiking. It is currently one of the least expensive nations in the world and in Europe. Both the cost of living and prices are quite low in Bulgaria. Plovdiv, one of Europe's oldest continuously inhabited cities, invites exploration of its rich history. Its cobblestone streets lead to well-preserved treasures like a Roman amphitheater and ancient fortress walls, nestled among charming Renaissance-era buildings. The city's cultural scene thrives with art galleries, museums, and traditional Bulgarian eateries, offering immersive experiences for visitors. A lunch at a nearby restaurant will only set you back $5, and lodging may be found for less than $15 per night. Poland is a nation full of culture and history that just needs to be discovered. Some of Europe's most exquisite and beautifully maintained architectural designs may be found in Krakow's historic district. The Tatra Mountains provide a variety of outdoor pursuits, such as rock climbing, skiing, and hiking. You shouldn't miss the amazing vistas. The Auschwitz-Birkenau Memorial and Museum serves as a solemn tribute to Holocaust victims and a stark reminder of World War II atrocities. Exploring the former Nazi concentration camps offers profound insight into this dark period of history through powerful exhibits and memorials. The cost of living in Poland is significantly cheaper than in many other European nations, which is one of the key factors making it such a wonderful value. This indicates that lodging that is reasonably priced may be had for around $15 per night. Neighboring to the south of Poland, Slovakia offers a beautiful and affordable destination for travelers. While it may not boast the same size or abundance of attractions as Poland, Slovakia's compact size, rich culture, and friendly locals make it an appealing place to visit. The country is home to the stunning Tatra Mountains, where visitors can enjoy hiking in the northern region. Additionally, exploring the old city of Kosice reveals a treasure trove of old architecture and fortresses that are often overlooked by tourists. In terms of cost, meals in Slovakia typically average around $6 per meal, while accommodation can be found for around $17 per night. If you're seeking a less touristy and budget-friendly destination, Slovakia offers a compelling option. Exploring the northern regions of Greece, such as Thessaloniki and Meteora, offers travelers fantastic destinations that are both culturally rich and budget-friendly. Unlike the popular Greek islands like Santorini and Mykonos, northern Greece provides a more laid-back atmosphere and more affordable travel options. Thessaloniki, for example, offers budget-friendly dining experiences, with gyro sandwiches priced as low as €2, providing travelers with a taste of Greek cuisine without breaking the bank. Northern Greece is home to a wealth of archaeological sites, including ancient Greek cities, Roman ruins, and Byzantine monuments. These sites provide valuable insights into the region's past and offer visitors the opportunity to delve into its fascinating history. Additionally, attractions like Meteora offer breathtaking landscapes and historic monasteries to explore, all at a fraction of the cost of more touristy destinations. Serbia is an unbelievable bargain. Mountains, rivers, and woods are among the various landscapes found in this country. Belgrade, the capital of Serbia, is where the Danube River is found. It is also a city filled with parks and green areas. Here, one will find a vibrant mix of historic castles and contemporary skyscrapers, busy marketplaces and hip cafes, and a booming music and art scene. Famous sites like Kalemegdan Park and Belgrade Fortress invite exploration, while a walk down Knez Mihailova Street displays the lively mood and diversity of the city. In Serbia, budget travelers should budget $25 per day, while mid-range travelers should budget around $40. You can find lunch and round-trip transportation for less than $10 per person. Even though Georgia is situated on the edge of Europe, it remains a noteworthy destination boasting beautiful sights and vibrant hipster scenes unique to the country. Tbilisi, its capital city, stands out as a creative hub, attracting a young population drawn to its innovative atmosphere. The city's abundance of fun outlets and creative restaurants reflects this energy. Georgian cuisine is particularly noteworthy, offering delicious and unique dishes at affordable prices, typically around $2 per meal. Accommodation costs in Georgia are also notably low, averaging around $9 per night, making it one of the most budget-friendly options in Europe. For travelers seeking adventure and cultural exploration, Georgia, with its hipster culture and proximity to the breathtaking Caucasus Mountains in the north, promises an unforgettable experience. Croatia is a favorite among tourists because of its breathtaking scenery, historic towns, and gorgeous beaches. There is something for everyone to enjoy, from touring historic sites to having relaxed beach days. Think about taking a day trip to islands like Hvar and Brač, where you can explore quaint villages and enjoy the sun. While Dubrovnik can be expensive, Split offers a more budget-friendly option with its coastal charm and affordable amenities. You'll find that food, drinks, and transportation are reasonably priced, allowing you to make the most of your budget while exploring the Adriatic coast. Croatia has an extensive heritage of culture, with influences from both Eastern and Western Europe visible in its customs, architecture, and food. This makes it more than just a beautiful travel destination. Italy presents a diverse array of destinations to explore, catering to both budget-conscious travelers and those seeking iconic experiences. While renowned cities like Rome, Venice, and Florence tend to be more expensive, there are plenty of affordable options to discover. Consider visiting Bologna, celebrated for its culinary heritage and well-preserved medieval architecture. In southern Italy, the region of Puglia offers breathtaking coastal landscapes and delicious cuisine at reasonable prices. Additionally, Sicily enchants visitors with its ancient ruins, charming towns, and diverse culinary traditions. A good place to try is the charming town of Noto. This town enchants visitors with its Baroque architecture, historic sites, and authentic Sicilian atmosphere. By opting for these budget-friendly destinations, travelers can immerse themselves in Italy's rich culture and history without overspending. And finally, at the top of our budget-friendly Europe travel list is Albania. This is the ideal alternative for somewhere like Italy or Spain. Although it lacks the large numbers of tourists found in those countries, it still boasts an abundance of culture and history. You can also benefit from Albania's insane beaches, which are among the best in Europe. Stretching along the country's southwestern coast, the Albanian Riviera boasts stunning beaches with crystal-clear waters and picturesque coastal landscapes. Among its notable beach destinations is Ksamil, known for its pristine white sands and secluded coves. Visitors can enjoy swimming, sunbathing, and water sports activities while soaking in the natural beauty of the Mediterranean coastline. The cuisine here is inexpensive, with a meal costing approximately $4 per person. You'll also only pay about $1 for a beer at a bar. For a mid-range budget, the average cost of lodging in Albania is about $30 per night. Thank you for tuning in. We'd love to hear about your travel experiences in these countries. Share in the comments below and feel free to give us examples of how affordable they were for you. If you enjoyed our video, show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.